We just finished pouring 61 cubic yards of concrete in these ICF walls. I wanted to show you how to brace a T-intersection. Now, some block companies will make a preformed T, but in this scenario, we actually didn't use that. We built our own. So this wall continues through, and on the T that runs this direction, we just cut out the 6 1/4 inches of foam, butted our block in, and then braced the living bejesus out of it, as you can see. But what I wanted to show you is, because they're not preformed and their T intersections are dangerous, you got to make sure that you do them 100%, because they could be a tricky situation. So we just ran 2x6 across each row of block. That just gives it extra strength. Then we put our brace, or we call them a shield. But you got to keep in mind, you can't just pin it at the bottom and then pin it at the top, because it'll just bulge this wall. So we've put in 1, 2, 3, 4 braces that you can see, and then there's some even up a little higher. So just wanted to show you that. We'll jump up top and show you a couple other things to keep in mind. So the other thing that we've done on this T wall is we've built an L-tie, ran it right down to the footing, and that just gives us extra support, because this one runs in, it's hard to actually keep that one vertical. So this L-tie just locks it in solid. That's about it. You just got to be careful with your T intersections.
That's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or check us out on some of the following.